CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.1 Explain common operating system types and their purposes. OS Compatibility Concerns. Compatibility concerns between operating systems can create real challenges in IT environments, especially when upgrading systems or working across multiple platforms. Not all applications, hardware, or drivers are designed to work with every operating system, and failing to consider compatibility can quickly lead to system issues. At a basic level, different operating systems use different architectures, file systems, and software frameworks. Because of this, an application built for one OS may not work on another. For example, a program designed specifically for Windows may not run on macOS or Linux without additional tools, or may not run at all. This is especially common with specialized or legacy software. Hardware compatibility is another important factor. Devices such as printers, scanners, or graphics cards rely on drivers to communicate with the operating system. If a driver is not available for a specific OS, the device may not function properly, or at all. This becomes a common issue when upgrading to a newer operating system, where older hardware may no longer be supported. Operating system upgrades can also introduce compatibility problems. Newer OS versions may remove support for older applications or drivers, which can break critical functionality. Imagine upgrading your system, only to discover that a key business application no longer works. Now you're faced with either rolling back the upgrade or finding a replacement solution, neither of which is ideal. To avoid these issues, IT professionals should always verify compatibility before making changes. This includes checking application requirements, confirming driver availability, and reviewing hardware support for the target operating system. Testing in a controlled environment before full deployment is also a best practice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.